You know, there are so many reasons that justify wearing makeup, but it can be very intimidating for someone who has never worn any makeup. Where to buy, what to buy, why should I buy, is this the right color, is this the right shade? Well, you have come to the right place because I am 60 and I started putting on makeup when I was like 21. No, I was probably 20 or 19. I've been using my face as a canvas for like 40 plus years. I'm going to show you what to do.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car looking for...
Hello there, sisters. Welcome to this channel. I inspire women to feel good about themselves, to be healthy, but most of all, to love their imperfections, to love their struggles, physical and mental. We're all in this together, and we want to just feel good and embrace our age and embrace everything that we are. Okay, so I know it can be very, very scary because you have to put makeup and you don't even know where to start. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. If you think this channel is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this episode, hit the like button, comment, and share, because we want to be helpful to one another, right? We want to inspire one another. Whether or not we put makeup, whether or not we have good eyebrows or long lashes, we are beautiful the way we are. Whatever shape, color, face, skin texture, we are beautiful because beauty starts from within and everything else shines through. Okay, let's dive in. Number one, you gotta know why you're putting makeup. Where are you going? Because it matters. This is a beginner's crash course in makeup, and we're just gonna talk about what to buy. First of all, you will need cleanser. This is overall cleansing water. Well, you can buy whatever is available at the drugstore, but make sure it is a cleansing solution to clean your makeup. This one specifically is an eye makeup remover. Water and cleansing soap or foam is the best cleaning agent, but there will still be makeup residue, trust me. And you want something that can really wipe it clean. And of course, you want to have either a makeup cleansing pad and of course cotton balls. So whichever you want to use. Next, you want to protect your skin. Before you even put anything on it, you want to have a moisturizer. If you're older, like me, 50s and above, well, I'm 60, have a moisturizer that has retinol to repair damaged skin, you know, to prevent your skin from losing so much moisture. Now, you want to put some foundation. Now, you don't want to go very thick, especially because it's your first time and you don't know if your skin is going to be irritated or something like that, so you want to use something that's light, and I suggest using BB cream. Department store brands are good. This is actually by Maybelline, and BB creams are lighter. They are not as thick. They are almost translucent. You want to have that as a base, as a foundation. Make sure to review the ingredients at the back, and as a pharmacist, if there are any ingredients at the back that might cause allergies. Okay, now if you really don't want to use foundation, that's perfectly fine, because you know it can feel sticky on the skin. You can have compact. Make sure you buy something that's a little darker than your tone or exactly the same. Sometimes there are testers. I suggest though that if you're going to use testers for foundations, for blushes, for compact powder, you dab a little bit on your skin, and then once you've dabbed it on there, you try it on here. Don't put it on your face. Now go for the matte one unless you want to have some glowing effect, translucent effect. Now, by the way, before I keep going, try to buy products that are animal cruelty free, because we want to protect the animals. We don't want the animals getting tested all the time and they get hurt, they get blind. This is Pacifica, my favorite blusher, and it has different shades. You know, when you're darker, you want to be close to earth tones when you're buying shades. If you're lighter, you can still choose earth tones and use the lighter ones, or you can use pastels and some basic eyeshadow. You can have light brown and you can have beige. The good thing is most brands that carry eyeshadows will have duos, like combinations, so that solves the problem right away. Buy that duo. Just buy one, that's fine. This one, for example, is a duo. Check the back, by the way, because makeup products have expiry dates. And you'll notice that some makeup products already carry brushes, so you don't even have to worry about what brush to buy. Okay, now if you're really adventurous and you really are so excited and so pumped up and you really want to try different colors, make sure that they are all under the same color umbrella. This is a good one. You see how the colors are all sort of related. They come from the same color chart. And remember, when you apply, you have to apply very thinly at first and then just add a little bit. We'll talk about makeup techniques in another episode, okay? Of course, you want to have some lipstick. Buy something that's close to your natural lip color. This one is by Art Deco, and see, the color matches my skin tone. Buy something that matches your skin tone. You can also buy gloss if you like, because I like gloss. It adds drama to your mouth. See? If your eyebrows are sparse, then you want to buy pencil, and I would go for brown. Like, you don't want to put black because it's gonna make you really, really fierce looking. Now for your eyes, you can put an eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. It's easy to put, right? Or if you want to really go full blast, right? You're so like, yes, I want to go like all out makeup. Okay, you can go use liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner because it stays. It's harder to put, of course. You have to have very, very steady hands, but you know, practice makes perfect. Finally, if you want some mascara, by all means, wear mascara. I love my Amped Up Mascara by Miss MAC. If you have mascara, you don't even need to put eyeliner. If all the makeup products that you bought didn't have any brushes, then at least have these basic brushes. This one is a little angled, and I use this for my highlight, the lighter color. And then I use this one that has rounded bristles for the main eyeshadow, because then I can just turn it around. Use a different brush for the light shade and a different brush for the dark shade, and then I use a different brush to blend them. To emphasize your lashes above and under, I use this very thin brush. See how thin this is? I dab the brush on the dark shade, and then I put under, you know, under here. And finally, your brush for your blush, for your blusher. It has to be rounded. Like, based on my experience, I use this one because it's easier to blend, you know. And before I forget, you need a sponge, because this one helps you when you're trying to apply, you know, foundation, and you don't want to use your hands, you don't want to use your fingers, rather, then this one is good. Sometimes when makeup smeared on your eye or something, you don't want to use your hand, so you want to use a sponge. This one is good because you can dab a little bit of foundation, then at the same time you're removing the, this is like a correction fluid. There you go. I've just given you a list of the basic things that you need to buy, and you don't need to buy anything else. For now, go to your nearest shopping mall or drugstore and start buying, girls. Start buying. And take note, make a list, and put in the comments. Let me know what you just bought, and let me know. Maybe show me photos. Email me. My email is right here, JacquelineJDIY@gmail.com. Or I have my website, and you can send me an email at hello@jackied.com. And I hope that this helps you. But most of all, smile. Your best ever makeup on your face is your smile. Nothing beats your smile and your confidence. Those are the best shades ever. Let's finish this episode with a dance. The empowerment dance. I'm making it up. Yes.